What's up guys, day 2 here. We're gonna finally get this patch panel finished up in here. So we'll get this fully welded, and then once we're done with here, the goal is tonight is to get this off so we can inspect what kind of metal work we have to do in behind here. And I'll have more access to cut this out, because we're gonna cut this shit out and we're gonna put jack points right here just so it's easy. And I wanna test fit some side skirts so it'll give us a good mounting point for it too. So, but I'll throw you guys in the time lapse. We'll get this welded in and then start removing this. All right, dudes, I think we're gonna end it there. I think the battery definitely died. Well, 100% died because I had to put a new one in. But before I got everything cut out for the rocker here. But this is just test fitted in. I still have to go inside here and cut out some of the dog leg on the inside and clean out inside there. But yeah, this is it. Everything's lining up exactly where it needs to be. So I'm super happy about that. Nothing's changed here. But before I even get to this part, we gotta fix this area first, and then we'll get this welded in. But I do want to get the door on here because this is the fitment for the door. So once I get the door on here and we can adjust where we want this, I'll tack weld this in with the door on, so this way at least the outside body line is perfect, and then anything underneath it all lines up anyway, so it'll be perfectly fine anyway. But we're gonna seam weld all this stuff too. So yeah, super excited. We'll be back in here tomorrow, hopefully get a lot more done. And it's my weekend off, so this way we'll probably spend like 16-17 hours in here on the weekend. So all right, I'll see y'all later. Peace.